How to sell candy on TikTok shop. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to sell candies on TikTok. So you might have watched a random live stream or a random TikTok shop, and you might have noticed that people are actually selling candies and other beverages or other foods. And to be able to do that, you're going to go to products and click on add new product option that we have over here. After that, you're going to simply enter the basic information. So over here we have basic information, you have your different photos. Simply upload photos of your candy. And then over here, very important, enter the necessary product name and under category, simply search for food. Since food or candy is under that, simply select the specific section over here. So you have packed food. So those candies are typically packed. So you could put that as a category. And now you could simply enter the necessary important information over here, especially since it's food. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.